there is a lot of washing happening. Within this project, I personally read more than 300 applications and projects and proposals within the project Catalyst from Fund 4 till Fund 13. And there is a lot of claiming happening. We will do that. There's a lot of overpromising. There is a lot of non-understanding, what basically output and outcome and impact means. I think this is important to say directly and openly. We are the same if we are having this kind of approach, like big green washers, ESG washers, impact washers, big companies like multi-corporates, banks, financial institutions, etc., etc. Because our responsibility, social and economic responsibility, is to understand what are result-based management and design, and how basically the impact should be integrative part of the work that we are doing. A different approach to the problem that we are facing, not only from Project Catalyst, but also there is a huge spectrum of civil society organizations, development organizations that don't have proper impact management system in place. And really important to point out, impact management system is not about just measuring and reporting. Impact management system is helping you in designing the initiatives, in thinking how your idea will turn to the solution, because this is the beginning of your impact journey.
So, IMS is a Catalyst-enabled MVP, and today projects can self-report through lightweight forms. They're designed to take 30 minutes or less. The data is stored and processed currently in our demo environment, so not yet on chain. And we have dashboards to visualize the results. And yes, we're cognizant of the current systems that we're working within, right? So we talk about the frameworks such as the UN SDGs, and as Theo was mentioning, moving beyond alignment, but backing it up with actual numbers. Here's a snapshot of our homepage, which you can visit at ims.impactweb3.com. So if you have a project, you can actually log in, create an account, and submit your data, which, as I've explained, is processed in our demo environment, and the dashboards would bring it to life. And because transparency matters, the code is open source on GitHub, as you can see here. So you can go into GitHub and have a look around and play around. And later on, we're going to invite everyone to be part of this journey with us. This is definitely something that cannot be achieved by just one team. There's been a lot of talk as well around different platforms, different tools, infrastructure, and just want to make it clear that we're building this with the mindset of not building a black box. It's a commons that anyone can use and improve, and as Theo explained, we're at MVP stage here, thanks to Catalyst and our supporters. The key benefits though of what we're building here are clear. So transparency, shared open standards, trust, outcomes that can be verified once anchored, which is where we're moving towards with anchoring data on chain on Cardano. Adoption, adaptable across regions and cultures, and collaboration. So connecting Cardano projects with, for instance, NGOs, DAOs, institutions across Web3 and beyond, right, across the world.
What we did last couple of months and how we moved from the phase to the phase. So right now, we are exploring AI integration. This is something that we are looking forward to see, with Patrick from Asumi or SingularityNet, how we can jointly advance the product, and then we will go to the main deployment of Cardano, and we will see how we can also have cross-chain integrations. We're already discussing with a couple of other chains. They are really interested to see this Cardano product used also by their solution makers from their ecosystem. So in next year, basically 2026, we are aiming to, as I said, have that mainnet launch, but then we'd like to see also regional pilots and some kind of the enterprise rollouts happening. And